Fuller Tribe has arrived. Day 2 is ready to go. Good morning, folks. Reporting live again from the Granite State here in New Hampshire. Headed today towards Cannon Mountain, located in Franconia, New Hampshire. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're working with 2,180 feet of vertical, 73 total trails again there at Cannon. Home of Bodie Miller, American gold medalist. We're not going to try to impersonate him today. Linking up again with Jason Fuller Adventures. I'll leave his channel link if you didn't see the last video. They have the only tram, aerial tram in the state of New Hampshire, and in fact back in 1936 I believe was the first tram in the entire United States. So there's some history here. It's not the same tram they're running now, don't worry about safety, we'll be all right up there hanging from a limb. I hear that Cannon Mountain's got some pretty intense terrain. Conditions here look pretty decent. Looks like they got a dusting overnight, so it should be pretty good ski. Looking forward to getting out there on the hill, shredded some turns, and let's get ripping.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's go, dude. Ripping.
Made it down. I don't see any snow all over you. So
oh no.
Made it.
Well, we're all wrapped up here at Cannon Mountain, here in Franconia, New Hampshire. What a day it was out there. Had a blast skiing. I'm going to give this place a 4.8 shred score. It's that intense out there, as much as you've read or heard about. It's lesser known in general, but I highly suggest coming out here for advanced, intermediate, expert turns. Like, this place will give it to you. So any kind of terrain you want, bumps, trees, steeps, it's all here. Overall, had a great time with Jason and Ella, and maybe I'll put the footage of me stuck in the trees there for a little bit. Hope you didn't get bored through that. Overall, awesome place. You know, first tram in America was here at Cannon Mountain. This place is like the essential old school New England skiing experience. So if you've never been, or you've kind of looked at Vermont or elsewhere in the past, I highly recommend do not pass up Cannon Mountain. Next week I'm headed back to Virginia, going to Wintergreen Resort there in Nellisford, Virginia. Appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time.